Hey everyone! I'm excited to take you on a whirlwind tour of the incredible world of wines. Whether you're a budding sommelier or just curious about what's in your glass, this journey is for you. So, what exactly is wine? Simply put, it's the magical result of fermenting grapes, but oh, it's so much more than that. Each type of wine tells the story of its origin, the soil it grew from, and the people who crafted it. First up, let's dive into red wines. These are the bold classics like Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, and Pinot Noir. Reds are all about depth and complexity. Picture this: a glass of deep ruby red wine, brimming with flavors of dark fruits, spices, and sometimes a hint of chocolate or earthy undertones. Perfect for a cozy evening or a hearty meal. Next, white wines. Think Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc, and Riesling. These wines are lighter, often with a crisp acidity that dances on your palate. They bring hints of citrus, green apples, and even tropical fruits. Ideal for a sunny day or to complement a light, fresh meal. We can't forget about rose. This wine isn't just for summer picnics. Rose combines attributes of red and white wines, offering flavors like strawberries, cherries, and flowers. It's like drinking a cool breeze at sunset. Now, for a bit of sparkle, let's pop over to sparkling wines. Champagne, Prosecco, and Cava take center stage. These bubbling beauties are synonymous with celebrations. Their effervescence brings joy with every sip, not to mention the flavors ranging from rich and creamy to light and zesty. And for those who have a sweet tooth, dessert wines like port, sherry, and Sauternes will be your best friends. These are rich, sweet, and designed to be savored with or as dessert. They carry intense flavors of honey, nuts, and dried fruits. Exploring wines is like traveling the world through your senses. Each type offers a unique taste and opens up new dimensions of flavors and aromas. Whether you're sipping a robust red by the fireplace or a zesty white by the beach, there's always something new to discover. So grab a glass and let's toast to the diverse and delicious world of wines. Cheers to more discoveries and delightful sips ahead.